Hey guys, welcome to the Kind Flux. I am Arish Nagpal. So today's video is very different. I'm gonna show you how you can cut your hairs at home, especially in this time of lockdown, especially in New Zealand when there's lockdown, there's restrictions and stuff, and there's not enough barbers available. So I'm gonna show you how I cut my hairs. It's not gonna be in too detail, but let's see. I got this new thing which will help me to keep my bathroom clean. So let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a fade of number 3 all over on the sides. So I'm gonna follow my natural hair growth. So I have like here, you can see there's a line here as well, and then here there's a line as well, and then at the back around here there's a line. So I'm gonna clean everything up, and then on the top I will show you different methods. Okay, let's get started. So I have a really good trimmer with zero gap, and I'm using 3mm comb on top of it. So let's get to it. Let's turn it on. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this. So you can keep it going like this to the toe. I might have to voice over because of the sound of the trimmer. It would be hard to listen to it. Let's just see how it goes. Take off as much as you can, then you can go in more detail later, like close up and stuff. I'm just doing the random everywhere kind of thing. So as you can see, there's a natural line here. I'm just gonna cut till I reach here. Just for this video, my friend gonna help me to do my back here, but I can do it by myself. But to make the video a little bit shorter, my friend just gonna help me. But normally I take a mirror and hold it with one hand and see it from the other mirror, and then do it from the back. I'm going to show you different angles as well, a little bit. At the back, you can pull it. Sometimes hairs get stuck. I use my hand as a guide, so I will be cutting it from here. So main part is here. So the main part is here, especially because there are little hairs around here. So either you can use scissors to cut it, or you can cut very gently and nicely and slowly with the help of trimmer like this. And everything you can just go over and over again and make sure everything is cut. So let's get back to it. So I'm nearly done with the sides, which you can see. I have to go very close to the mirror so I can see it better, so I kind of stop the video and I done it like this, very slowly, so I don't have to cut my top hairs. These are very vicious. So now we're gonna cut the top part, and I like my hairs to be a little bit longer at the front and shorter at the back. So there are a few methods you can cut. Either you can use scissors or you can use trimmer. I use the combination of both. So normally I hold them like this, and the hairs which are a little bit longer at the top, then you cut it with a trimmer or with a scissor, and you can just do it few places. So the way I style my hair is like this, so it's a bit easier for me if they are uneven and stuff. It kind of gives it better texture. So I will show you how I do it. So I'm gonna make my hairs a little bit wet so I can see them better. Like this, and then I'm just going to use scissors to see and cut. And for example, at the back, I'm not gonna cut too much because I like my hairs to be longer, but you'll get an idea. So what is it? So I also do like this. I can see if they're uneven or something. And then I do it. So as you can see, it's a little longer here. So I'm just gonna cut it just without using my hands this time, just like this. I'm just cutting these steps because they're a little bit longer. So the way I was showing you with the trimmer, I was showing you, so you will be using without any attachment. So it's done it all. Like this. Four inches, and then cut like this. So I'm happy with the length of my hairs now. I just have to cut a little bit shorter. And let me show you. So they look really nice. I will show you the finished product once I'm done with everything. So here's the finished product. I hope you like it. I like it. And I also done my beard. Tell me if you like it in the comment section. And please share it with your friends who wanna do it at home or give it a try when barbers are not available, especially in this time of lockdown. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you. Bye.